This tutorial will show you how to get started with TextConverter in under 3 minutes. To create a data extraction project, open TextConverter, then open an input file. The easiest way to do that is dragging a file from Windows Explorer and dropping it into TextConverter. An input file can also be loaded from the toolbar, File menu, the Recent Files list, or by copying the file path into this input box. Let's zoom in to see the file content better. Now, you can start setting up data extraction rules through the user interface. Select a sample line containing data you want to pull out, and set up tabular fields, either from the toolbar or from the context menu. You can use the header line to assign field names. Since the description is a multi-line field, let's turn on its multi-line property. Your data extraction is configured, and you can preview the output in the table below. Finally, you need to define the output destination. It can be any database, such as SQL Server, Oracle, or files like Excel, Access, CSV, or text. And your first project is ready. You run the data extraction process by clicking the Running icon. An output file is created when the process is finished. You can save the project and reuse it later for any number of input files. Opening a previously created TextConverter project is as simple as loading an input file. You can drag it in from Windows Explorer, or open it from the toolbar or File menu. You can also find it in the list of recent projects. A simple file was used for this lesson. Much more complex cases will be covered in following tutorials.